Hello, hi Manzilla here, and in this video we're going to commit the code, okay? So remember we were working with this Review Smart app. I know that we're not 100% fully satisfied, but let's say that this application is what we wanted to build, right? The MVP, it has perfect data, it has all the features that we need, everything works as expected, code is working as expected, unit test is working as expected, etc., etc. So we're going to commit the code. In this case, what we're going to do, I'm going to go to GitHub, Jaime Man, okay? And you're going to see your information here as well. You're going to go to repos, you're going to go to new, and you're going to do review smart, okay? Now, Review Smart is available. I want it public, and I don't want to touch anything else because everything else is in my code, okay? So I'm just going to create a repo, and in this repo, it's telling me what to do. So in this case, I know that every single thing in this code, or every single thing here, I want to commit, okay? So my tests, my source, my services, everything like that. We may have, again, I may have to clean it up later. And this is probably going to be good to show you the version, the before and after, once the code is clean and everything like that. But here, okay, so this is all the comments of the code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions from this new repo command. All right, so we're going to pretty much follow the instructions that are here, okay? So I'm going to do git init. You can do that on git batch. I'm going to try it here. You can do it in Visual Studio Code, or you can do it in the git batch, but let's try it here. So I'm going to do git init, which is initializing empty git repository. In this case is this one, okay? Then I'm going to do git add, not the README, but I'm going to do, so right now you can do git add to add just the README file, but in this case, I'm going git add and period to add every single file in my repo. So as you can see here in Visual Studio Code, if I go to this source control, you'll see that everything is ready to be staged and everything is ready to be committed. So all the files that are unmodified, modified, everything that was created, even this UI mockup, that it doesn't look like the UI right now, but I'm still going to commit it. So I'm just going to do git add period, which is going to add every single file. So in this working copy of UI HTML will be replaced by a CRLF the next time Git touches it. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what it does. Then I'm going to do git commit m. So it's git commit -m, and I'm going to say review smart. Right? That's my comment. That's the comment. Hey, first commit of the application, review smart, code, whatever you want to add. So we're going to do commit, enter. I'm sorry, I had three M's. So git commit, M, the message, then in quotations, the actual message, and it's telling you what it committed. And then git branch M is the main branch. So I'm just going to copy paste that here. So it's use Control P, and then on your mouse, you do right click and it'll paste the command that you just copied. So it's git branch M main. And then you're going to do git remote add origin to this specific repo, which is the one that we just created. Again, copy. And then on the terminal itself, you do right click. It'll paste everything. And then you git push U to the origin of main, which is your main branch. Okay. And you just made your first commit. So actually you made your first app. Now you're making your first commit, if it's your first one or multiple ones. And I'm going to refresh here. and you can see the code in the repo, in my repo, which I can share. Somebody can clone, somebody can fork it, somebody can download it, etc., etc. And you'll see the README here is to give instructions to whoever clones it to be able to either extend it, to be able to create their own app, whatever it is. But all of this needs to be updated, because from what we started until we're now, some of these instructions may not apply. So part of my work is going to be cleaning up the code and then committing the newer version. That way you can see side by side what the difference is. Okay? So congratulations, you have committed your new app to your repo. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.